Welcome to our video on using Excel to import data from a text file. This process is essential for efficiently working with external data sources, ensuring that your data is accurately integrated into your worksheet. To begin, open Excel and start a new or existing workbook. This sets the stage for importing your data, allowing you to organize and manipulate it effectively within the familiar Excel environment. Next, navigate to the Data tab and click on From Text CSV. This option is specifically designed to help you import data from text files, streamlining the process of bringing external data into Excel. Once you've clicked From Text CSV, browse and select the text file you wish to import. This step is crucial, as it determines the source of your data, which will be integrated into your worksheet. The Text Import Wizard will guide you through specifying how the text data should be split. For example, you can choose to separate data by commas or tabs, ensuring it aligns correctly in your worksheet. As an example, consider importing a CSV file where data is separated by commas. The wizard allows you to preview how this data will be split into columns, providing a clear view of the import process. After previewing, adjust the import settings, such as column data format and destination. These settings are vital for ensuring that the data is correctly formatted and placed in the desired location within your workbook. Finally, click Load to complete the import process. This action transfers the data into the selected worksheet, making it ready for analysis and manipulation, thus facilitating efficient data management.